أهلا بكم. النهاردة الدرس رقم 51 من دروس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. وهنتكلم على الروابط المسؤولة عن الأثر أو النتيجة اللي بنقولها effect. Hello and welcome. Today is lesson 51 and I am going to talk about connectors are used to show the effect. Okay, connectors for effect. Before I start, I would like to send my warm regards to all my students from all over the world who watch my lessons, especially my dear student Sumaya. I would like to send you my best wishes, and I hope everything I say is useful. Okay, let's start. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا connectors or conjunctions. Okay, effect. The meaning is written in Arabic. معناها الأثر أو النتيجة. These connectors are used to show the effect or result of an action. الكونكتورز، شوف الكونكتورز مع بعض. عندي consequently, as a consequence, as a result of, therefore. Okay, all of them are used to show the effect. The first one, consequently. Her recipe didn't go well. Consequently, she threw it away. Okay, pay attention to the semicolon is written before consequently and comma is written after consequently. ناخد بالنا ان consequently بتيجي between two sentences. Okay, قبلها semicolon وبعدها comma. Okay, so consequently between two sentences, okay, semicolon should be written before it and comma after it. Her recipe didn't go well, semicolon, consequently comma, she threw it away. She didn't like the pudding, semicolon, consequently, she threw it all away. Okay, she was a bright and eager student and consequently did well in school. Okay, next one, as a consequence. He gained weight as a consequence of his unhealthy eating habits. He gained weight as a consequence كنتيجة أو كأثر of his unhealthy eating habits. As a consequence of being in hospital, okay, comma, Shelley decided that she wanted to become a nurse. Okay. Animals have died as a consequence of coming into contact with this chemical. animals have died as a consequence of coming into contact with this chemical. As a result of, the company took out too many loans. As a result of that, they went bankrupt. Bankrupt معناها يفلس. The fight was delayed as a result of fog. The fight was delayed as a result of fog. I am immune to smallpox as a result of vaccination. I am immune to smallpox as a result of vaccination. He was injured as a result of boiler explosion. He was injured as a result of boiler explosion. Therefore, Martin was the employee of the month, semicolon, therefore, comma, he got the promotion. Martin was the employee of the month, semicolon, therefore, comma, he got the promotion. He was the only candidate, semicolon, therefore he was elected. He was busy, therefore he couldn't come. Okay, so it can be comma before, therefore, and a comma after it, and it can be semicolon before, therefore, and a comma after it. ممكن يبقى therefore قبلها semicolon وبعدها كوما، ممكن كوما وكوما. Okay. The lime water has turned cloudy, therefore carbon dioxide has been produced during the experiment. The lime water has turned cloudy, therefore carbon dioxide has been produced during the experiment. He was the boss's husband and therefore untouchable. He was the boss's husband and therefore untouchable. We were unable to get funding and therefore had to abandon the project. We were unable to get funding and therefore had to abandon the project. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a good luck. See you soon. Goodbye.